In Urdu, we say khira, khira. In Chinese, we say huanggua, huanggua. In English, we say cucumber, cucumber. In Urdu, we say ghiya tori, ghiya tori. In Chinese, we say xi hulu, xi hulu. In English, we say zucchini, zucchini. In Urdu, we say loki, loki. In Chinese, we say 长瓜, 长瓜. In English, we say long melon, long melon. In Urdu, we say सब्जियां, सब्जियां. In Chinese, we say 四季豆, 四季豆. In English, we say green beans, green beans. In Urdu, we say matar, matar. In Chinese, we say 豌豆, 豌豆. In English, we say peas, peas. In Urdu, we say mirch, mirch. In Chinese, we say 辣椒, 辣椒. In English, we say chili, chili. In Urdu, we say kombi, kombi. In Chinese, we say 蘑菇, 蘑菇. In English, we say mushroom, mushroom. In Urdu, we say makai, makai. In Chinese, we say 玉米, 玉米. In English, we say corn, corn. In Urdu, we say टमाटर, टमाटर. In Chinese, we say 西红柿, 西红柿. In English, we say tomato, tomato. In Urdu, we say choti gobi, choti gobi. In Chinese, we say 抱子甘蓝，抱子甘蓝. In English, we say Brussels sprout, Brussels sprout. In Urdu, we say band gobi, band gobi. In Chinese, we say 卷心菜，卷心菜. In English, we say cabbage, cabbage. In Urdu, we say palak, palak. In Chinese, we say 菠菜，菠菜. In English, we say spinach, spinach.